Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here in this video we will be illustrating this lovely jumpsuit made of sheared fabric worn by Bella Hadid and designed by Alexandre Vauthier. As mentioned in the caption, the materials, the stationeries that we are using for this illustration are very cheap and easily affordable, easily available in the market, be it online or offline. Camlin drawing pencil in the shade 2B, Camlin sketch pens, Camlin brush, Camel artist watercolor, Natchraj gel pen, black gel pen, and Faber-Castell eraser. So here I've already sketched out the croquis on a sheet. So this paper is basically a writing pad paper, very thin but sufficiently absorbs the watercolor. At times it might leave some residues, but nothing to worry much about it as it subsides. As it dries, it subsides. So yeah, I'm trying to draw the dress, the jumpsuit over the figure and giving some necessary detailings. Starting with the skin tone, I'll be applying skin tone all over the body as the jumpsuit, as per the jumpsuit design. One thing about sheared fabric is that it is a complete see-through and it reflects its color only when there's a light source. So for that we need to the first step will be applying skin tone on the body wherever necessary, and also the shades of the folds and curves of the body. I'm applying a bit of blue in some of the regions so that I can give a shadow effect of the sheer fabric. Not everywhere, not entirely, keeping the highlight areas safe from the blue color. Also applying a bit more blue on the areas where the folds of fabric is opaque. I'm using my sketch pens here, the blue colored sketch pen, to show the embroidery over the sheared fabric. Very pretty embroidery, and using it to fill in areas wherever necessary throughout the jumpsuit, as we can see in the reference image. The hair color which I have applied is a red tone and a bit of brown tone over it, which gives it a very nice shade, nice hair color shade. Do keep in mind whenever we are illustrating fabric on body, it should flow in the direction of the body, the curves, the thigh curves, the hip curve. It should flow in the direction of the figure, right? So here I'm just filling out wherever necessary the embroidery of the fabric. Giving out necessary shade and shadows is a key to sheared fabric illustrations. As I already mentioned, it's a complete see-through, therefore this is the lace design over the hip and a bit of shadow. The final outline. Here I'm not using my black gel pen to give outlines as many illustrators would prefer. I'm just keeping it plain and simple and not making it too much of work on it, as it is also a beginner's tutorial. So here's my illustration and the reference.